If you are having issue connecting your uh, Google Credential API, let me show you how you can get started. Okay, first thing you want to do, whether you are using Sheets or you are using Gmail or you are using anything YouTube and you want to connect your Google Credential, here is how you can get started. So I'm going to get started with the Drive. Okay, let's start with Google Drive. So I want to actually, let me say, create a um, okay, update a file. Let's say update a file. Now you have a service account that you have to use. This is a service account, and here is how you can create a service account. So I'm going to create a new one right now. So here is it. You have to have your redirect URL and API here, and they recommend the O2 the OAuth authentication instead of your service account. And the first thing you have to do is to go to your console.google.com and you have to create a project. Okay, it is very, very easy to create any project when it comes to this. Very, very easy. And after you get there, so as you can see here, um, this is my new project. If you want to create a project, okay, maybe it's your first time you are logging into the dashboard, you can just go here, or it can just ask you to create a project. So this is my project, and I'm going to use it as an example. So let me just pick one of my projects right here, which is n8n auto, and I'm going to go to AI on admin. And if I can't find that, just go here to navigation menu and select it. Okay, just select it. Then after you are done, you have to go to I'm coming API and service. So when you get to API and service, there's something you need to do. Like as you can see, this YouTube reporting API, the data tree API, you have to open it and enable it. The Gmail API, the Google Sheets API, the Drive API. You have to open everything. I'm not talking about everything like this. The Google Cloud API, the Google Doc API. You have to enable everything. I am service credential. You have to enable it. The website indexing. That is, if you want to use some kind of indexing on your account, you still have to enable that stuff. Okay, because if you don't enable those things, as you can see, these are already enabled, and this is enabled. As you can see, it will just show you enabled. If I haven't enabled any of this, it will show you enable and just enable it. And after you have enabled it, the next thing is to go to as you can see, everything is enabled. The next thing is to go to here, okay, to the library. Sorry, to go to the credential to create your own credential. Now let us create a brand new credential. We are going to click on create credential. We are creating an OAuth client credential, not a service account. Now you want to select the type web application. You want to name your n8n new or whatever you want to use. Now go back to your auto redirect and copy the URL. You want to paste the URL inside here, and after that has been done, the creator click on creating, and it's going to give you this thing. Just copy it, paste it here. Okay, copy it, paste it there, and go here again, copy it. I'm going to delete this one, so paste it there and click on sign in. Make sure that your account you want to use for signing, that is what you should be using. Else, um, um, just go here. After you are done, click on save, and that one has been created. And if you have issue, if you have any issue in accessing it, I think you can go to, just make sure you set this consent screen. There's something else we need to work on. This is the new that we created. Okay, so replace whatever you want to replace here, and go to the audience. So this is the part in where you can add multiple tester, add tester. If you want to use another account, you can add a tester to it. If someone wants to use your API or something like that, someone can add a tester to it, and boom, that is it. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.